eagerly to see what happens. Turn 10. And, well, looking straight through the corner. And, oh, very thankful it did not grip. I'm sure Sam Lowes is too.
Just offline there, mate. You can see the dirt kind of being thrown up and the dust being thrown up from Lowes. Been a great day up until then. And that is in the third sector for Sam. So I think for the first time today, Matt, we've had a crash which isn't on at turn 2.
Just to see what happens in